Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set the side button to open Siri or classical voice control. So now when I hold the side button, you will see the Siri will open up. So I'll show you how to use the side button to open Siri. For that, go to settings. In the settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility. Now here, scroll down, tap on side button. From here, under press and hold to speak, simply select Siri. If you select Siri, when you press and hold the side button, you will see the Siri will open up. If you select classic voice control, when you simply press and hold the side button, the classic voice control will open up. So that's it. That's how you set side button to open Siri or classic voice control. If you don't like any of that, you can simply turn it off. Now when you simply press and hold on it, you won't see nothing. You won't see Siri, you don't see classic voice control. So that's it. Thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe.